Listen to this.
Best part of the week, you know.
Who's that pitcher?
Who?
Someone on the Yankees won a DL today. I wonder who it was.
Hang on, it's coming.
Clay Hensley.
Is that who it was?
Clay? Is it Aiken?
Clay Gaken. Listen to this.
Who is that?
You wake up to that?
No, I get text messages.
Oh my god.
It's awesome. That is Molly,
Oh,
Amanda's sister.
sick. That's the game.
I want to read a stupid story.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
This lifesaver story is called The Amazing Rabbit's Tale in Hillendale.
In Hillendale.
Rabbit's Tail in Hillendale.
Tail? Like T-A-I-L?
T-A-L-E.
Amazing Rabbit's Tale, T-A-L-E, in Hillendale.
D-A-L-E.
Tucked deep within the rolling landscape of Hillendale
Flying up and down, rolling around.
lives a happy, I'm trying to read a story here,
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
lives a happy community of rabbits where laughter and cottontails abound. What does that mean?
There's a lot of
Keep
them.
reading.
There's a lot of them.
There's a lot of rabbit ass.
They
running around.
frolic in the fields and harvest their crops. They're always hard at work and at play, making the most out of every day.
Rabbits do it a lot.
All in all,
Yeah,
yeah.
fuck like rabbit.
All in all, life in Hillendale is jumping. Ladies, even.
Where is
However, before I was rudely interrupted, the Hutches. Wait, there's her. However, for the Hutches, one of Hillendale's largest families, things aren't so cool. To their dismay, while harvesting their jelly bean crop, the Hutches discovered that this year they produced
Can't read for
Did you
shit.
pass the third grade?
only
Did you
one
do hooked on
flavor.
phonics when you were...
They produced only one flavor.
Look
Now,
into the camera and say, I am not smarter than a fifth
I
grader.
know I'm not.
Well, then tell him.
Anyways, the Hutches can only produce one flavor, licorice, of jelly beans. In the jelly bean business, black licorice is not a favorite. No kidding.
I like black licorice.
It's okay.
Licorice.
This is the crop they counted.
Worst story ever.
This story
It gets better. It gets better.
Then fucking read.
You gotta keep interrupting me.
It's because you can't fucking read.
This is the crop they counted on to send their oldest kids to South.
Africa?
This is the crop they counted on to send their oldest kids to South Carolina U. Get it?
No, I
South
don't.
Carolina U.
No.
Finish the story, come on.
Much needed
It's gonna be like 5 paragraphs.
it makes some much needed repairs to their cozy little bungalow.
That was a bungalow.
It says bungalow.
The fuck is a bungalow?
Then one sunny spring day, the twins, Hip Hop and Bunny Hutch, were so bored. It says so.
Wait, hang on.
What?
Oh, fuck, another weak
That's
one.
the worst part.
That was pretty weak.
We sauce.
You
They were
guys
so
suck.
bored, they were itching their noses and twitching for some excitement.
It's not even funny.
They were itching their noses and twitching for some
That
excitement.
smells though, dude.
Keep interrupting me.
Hang on.
Ugh.
It does, doesn't it?
Let's try bunny ball. Hop to the top of a real high hill, curl up into a cotton ball, and roll all the way down. Whew. Come on. It was done.
Yeah, that's what
But the
she said.
climax.
Oh shit.
Oh boy.
Hoo hoo. This is cool. They squealed, tumbling to the bottom. Then, just as they were about to hop to the top again, something amazing happened. A piece of paper floated right in front of their face that read, "Follow this trail of luck and you'll find something special and one of a kind. A carrot that's made just for you. It can make your dreams come true." It can make your dreams come true, I said.
This paper or the carrot?
The paper. The twins scampered down the trail for miles until they stumbled upon something bright and shiny. As they tugged it from the ground, they knew they had indeed found the special carrot. A 14-karat gold carrot. A 14-karat gold carrot. A 14-karat gold carrot?
That doesn't make any
It's a whole
sense.
carrot.
Gold carrot.
After
Bling
lugging...
bling,
This is the last paragraph. After lugging their prize home, there were bunny hugs for everyone. Mom and Dad Hutch exclaimed that they... Mom and Dad Hutch!
See, you got some excitement. You know, man, I know it. You gotta throw shit. You're a worst story.
You're interrupting!
Sorry.
Your ass.
Mom and Dad Hutch.
Do the dead quiet. What?
Everyone said it was a weak fart.
That was a good.
Mom and Dad Hutch
Yeah, we already know.
exclaimed they could now meet their expenses and throw a huge Easter party in Hillendale. Thanks to hip hop and Bunny, the Hutches were happy hares to say the least.
It's a whole lot of
That's
hair.
it? It wasn't even a bad guy.
No, it
There
has
wasn't,
sex.
there wasn't even a bad guy in the story.
Sex.
Usually there's a bad guy in
No
every
kinky
story.
sex scene. No badass bondage bastard.
Yo, what's that dude? Karstens is on the DL for the season.
Jeff Karstens?
Yeah, he got hit and broken fibula. Ah!
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Ah, that hurt my hand.
Good. Ah, that